Hey guys, my name is Kofo Warla George Taylor, and today I'm going to be talking to you about Studio Planet's Ultimate Creator Bundle, and I'm going to tell you exactly what I think and if I think this is worth it. So when you come here, you're going to obviously think that this is probably a video making or editing software. It's not. It's really just a bunch of themes and templates. So this is what they say you get: 1000 transitions, color grading, 500 lens, VHS overlay, bonus sound packages, works with Mac and PC. Save 300 on your order and get lifetime updates for free. So apparently these are the part of the transitions you get and many more, and you'd actually think you're getting something of value. Now I had an issue with this because number one, I tried to use it um on the recommended apps listed here, and I couldn't use it on After Effects. I couldn't use it on the Adobe products, and this is what they give you. They tell you that download this information, which is like the theme, just to download all this information. And so far it's been useless to me because I could not install this. So I think I should show you a better option to use rather than use this. So you can just search out this Envato Adobe Transitions, and then you can buy modern transitions here at a better rate. So let's just check it out. Rather than using those people, you can get 2000 transitions here, and just subscribe to download and use. 2000 subscriptions, you get glitches, you get double circle swipes, and it's a lot better because it actually works. It actually works, which is just $16 a month. Um, you can also buy off packs like this. So as you can see, there are different transition packs here that are available, and this is one transition pack I'm opening for you. So once you subscribe, you have access to over 2000 designs you can use at your own pace or choice or whatever. Um, and for video editing software, I've used Adobe, I've used Create Studio, and I've used a bunch of them. I've tried using the pre-made pack sets. I've tried using just different things. And what I would suggest for somebody who is just getting started for video creating, I would suggest you use Create Studio. So this is Create Studio, and so far I've had a good experience. So for getting all this stuff, I actually bought this plan, and I had lifetime access to all the features. You can forget the doodles, you don't have to use doodles. It comes with transitions, text, characters. It comes with a lot of stuff that I've actually learned to appreciate and love more, and they also have transitions in your package. So whether you're looking for a place where you can get good transitions that actually work, you should please consider Evanto and not this rubbish that does not work. So you may be wondering why I didn't get my money back. Was I made a stupid C mistake. I forgot to escalate the case on PayPal, and PayPal closed my claim. But I would prefer if no one makes this kind of mistake. So yeah, this is what my review for this product. Okay, apparently I can't even leave a review on this. I'd have liked to have given it 1 star. I want to give it 1 star. I want to give it 1 star. And they won't let me leave a review because they know it's bad. So let me try refreshing the page, and let's see if they'd actually let me leave a review. Because as you can see, I'm logged in to be able to download the product here. So as you can see, they don't let me leave a review. I'd like to actually write a review. Um, so just so you guys know, I'm serious. So let's just go there. Now, I'm not mean, it's just that this product I contacted. Oh yeah, okay. And their customer service is absolutely terrible. I contacted their person in charge of customer service. Her name was Maria, and she basically told me even though it does not work and it's terrible, I cannot have a refund. And that's when I tried to escalate it to PayPal and made the ditzy mistake of not escalating it once I opened the dispute. So, worst thing ever does not work, and it's absolute rubbish. Asked for a refund and did not get one. I think you should save your money and skip this junk. So that's my honest review on this product. I would not suggest you buy it. It's been useless to me. I would not recommend this to anybody. I don't even know. As you can see now, I left a review, and my review I can't see that showing, which shows that you can't leave actual reviews for the product because it's not showing. See? No customers have left reviews yet. So actually, they're hiding the reviews because they know that the product they're selling is trash, and they know people are going to leave bad reviews for their product. So any company that cannot freely let you leave a review, I feel is a scam.